This is the third and final part of the series. So we're gonna get into how I made my first $250,000. Okay. So the $250,000 was like a huge milestone, and you have to watch the first two videos to see how I got to the first $250,000, because I couldn't do the $250,000 without the things that happened in the first two videos. So the first $250,000 came about. I had reached 100K, and I realized the freedom that I had and felt, right? But I was like, okay, investing in the market is one thing, but then I realized you could make a huge amount of profit in options, right? So options is what accelerated everything. And I knew about options before. I had experimented with it. I made money, lost more money than I gained money. But then I took time out after I lost money in options. I decided to learn how to actually consistently gain money in options. And options is like really risky. And I don't recommend anybody do this until you understand the fundamentals of the stock market, because you can still apply the same principles, right? You can do what you call, short term and long term. I do what you call leaps. I'll put what that means in the bottom in the description, right? But leaps is pretty much long-term equity, right? I forgot the APS, but it's LEAPS, leaps. I sound horrible not knowing the acronyms in this video, but I do. It's just I can't pull it up right now because I'm talking. So you have short-term options, which is less than a year. You have long-term options, which is over a year, right? And that's what accelerated everything. Keep in mind, have a job. I have what's in the stock market. It's like having three jobs, actually, or three streams of income. You have the job, have my normal shares, and options. The normal shares, whatever I put in is growing. So I decided I'm gonna take money, put it in my normal shares, and also take money, put it into options. So you have saving, right? That's one thing. You can invest. That will grow over time and it compounds. But you have options. Now, in order to prevent my losses, right? Like I said, I use leaps, and what happens is when you buy leaps, you avoid something called theta decay. And if you want to know what these terms mean, I'll explain it. I'll explain it later on at another time, or I do provide consulting. It's not financial advice; it's more education. I won't ever tell anyone what to buy, but I'll tell them what things mean, and what strategies people take to mitigate risk, right? But like I said, me going into leaps, it changed the whole dynamics of how I do options. Because before, what I did was, when I lost money, I was doing short-term options. It'd be like a week, a few days, a month, a couple months. And what'll happen is, a lot of times when people do options, is their first time doing it, they're gonna make a lot of money, and then the next time they do it, they'll fail, right? Some people, as soon as they try it, they fail and they just lose whatever money they put in, never do options again. Me, on the other hand, I did options. I did what you call options, and I was successful for like months until it just tanked. Right? And it all tanked before what you have, what you call expiration dates. Right? I know I'm talking like advanced for some people know what I'm talking about and some people don't. but I'm just telling you what happened. So, like I said, I saved money, and when I say save, I just put it into shares, and whatever money I didn't put into shares, I put in towards options. But when I got to those leap options, they're very expensive, right? But it's better for it to be expensive and safe than for you to find something cheap and you lose your money consistently until you realize, oh, I've lost like 5,000, 10,000. Some people I know lost like 15 to 20,000 doing this, right? So I got into options heavily. I think I reached the 250K. It was pretty fast because when I made the first 200K, it was like way faster than the first 100K. So when I got to the first 250K, it was just like that. It was like, it wasn't even a challenge. It was like I knew it was going to happen. Whereas with the 10,000 or the first 100,000, it felt like a challenge. It wasn't even a challenge. It was just like, I just trusted the process and the money did what it did. And that's why, the first 100,000 is important. You start to be able to see trajectory. You understand the market. You understand what's going to happen. You know the ups and downs. You know the pros and cons. You start to know what happened. So when I got to the first 250K, I already knew how the market worked, but I didn't know how options were going to work. But I trusted that too. I trusted my strategy. I found something consistent, and it worked for me. And so, and I'm here to explain all of those processes to you. If you ever need help learning that, just like and subscribe. I also have consulting in this. It's, education. I'll get with you, explain everything, teach you how I achieved whatever I achieved. I could look at what you do and sort of, show you what tools are available. You can be in the same situation as me, right? So I'm not saying you should do options. I'm just saying this is how I did it. You could still reach the $250,000 just doing what I did to get to the first 100K. That's actually safer. That's probably smarter. But what I want to do now is develop financial freedom. So that's pretty much. I appreciate it. Thank you, sir. Yeah, close out. Yeah. You convinced me. I'll take another one. So, like I said, that first 250K, that getting there, it was almost like I knew it was gonna happen. There was no doubt. I had a strategy. It just happened for me, and it could happen for you. It's not this impossible thing. It's actually, you want to know the funny part? It's better to do that than to finance things or be in debt or play the lottery and all that stuff like that. And I just think like it's not impossible for anyone. It was possible for me, and I'm a regular dude. I'm not special. I make a decent amount of money now, but back then I didn't. A lot of this stuff happened before I made a decent amount of money. But with anyone, you're gonna gain money. No matter what you do in life, you're gonna grow. If you're not growing, then you got bigger problems than money. You got bigger problems than that. So just stay strong, stay focused, do what's important, make smart moves. And if you got questions about it, I'll happily answer them. Maybe I didn't answer everything in this video, but like I said, learn how to be smart with your money, learn how to save, learn how to cut expenses. Then learn the stock market, learn how it works, learn the simple fundamentals. The simple fundamentals will make you a wealthy person, So you learn the simple fundamentals, You could do that until whenever, but like I said, what helped me accelerate that was options trading. So I technically have three sources of income, and I think that's like the key to life is growing. You're able to grow and scale everything. You can get to wherever you want in life. So y'all like and subscribe. This is Tyrone Stock Tips. I should have said it in the other video, but this is my early stage in life. So y'all let me know what y'all think. Leave comments, like, subscribe, leave comments, say what's up. Follow me on Instagram. It's Tyrone Stock Tips, just like the YouTube channel. And if y'all need help, send me an email and I got you. Until then, until the next one, I have more videos like this. Some, my life situations. I got more videos coming like this, more philosophical, and how I apply it to my life. Those are coming. So until next time, peace. Y'all be cool. All right. I'm gonna finish this old fashioned. I love old fashioned. This is a pretty classy drink. So y'all be cool. Y'all enjoy your day.